HTML Web Workers API. A web worker is a JavaScript running in the background, without affecting the performance of the page. What is a web worker? When executing scripts in an HTML page, the page becomes unresponsive until the script is finished. A web worker is a JavaScript that runs in the background, independently of other scripts, without affecting the performance of the page. You can continue to do whatever you want, clicking, selecting things, etc., while the web worker runs in the background. Browser support. The numbers in the table specify the first browser version that fully support web workers. Web workers and the DOM. Since web workers are in external files, they do not have access to the following JavaScript objects: the window object, the document object, the parent object. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, like, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.